Hi students, today we will discuss the differences between linear search and binary search. So now, in linear search, the differences one by one we will discuss. In linear search, the elements are compared sequentially. Sequentially, the elements are compared. The elements are compared. Whereas in binary search, the elements are not compared sequentially, not compared in sequential manner. So now, in linear search, the elements are compared from 0th position. From 0th position, the comparison will be done. In detailed linear search technique with algorithm and in detailed binary search algorithm, you can check in my channel CSIT tutorials by KanyaKumari. You can see. So from 0th position, linear search comparison will be done. So now, whereas in binary search, the comparison will start from mid position. Comparison will start from mid position. So that means here the elements are compared in from 0th position. If both are not equal, then it will go to first position. If both are not equal, then go to second position, and so on. Whereas here, first it will check with mid position. After that, whether the element is less than A of mid or not, like that. So if element less than A of mid, then in the left subarray, only the elements will be compared. Suppose if element is greater than A of mid, then the elements are compared in the right subarray. No need to check all the elements. So now in linear search, the time complexity is order of n. Why? Because suppose this is an array, then so we will 0th position, first position, second position, and so on. It will go to n minus 1th position if the element is present in the last position. Whereas in binary search, the time complexity is order of log n. Why? Because suppose if this is an array, first it will compare with the middle position. So if it is less, then it will check only left subarray. If this is less, if element is greater than A of mid, then it will check in the right subarray. So which one is better? So now this will take more time. This will take more time. So this will take less time. And another important difference between linear search and binary search is, see, in linear search, no need to arrange the elements in sorted order. Just whatever the order of the elements, from that order you can compare. So no ordering of elements in linear search. No ordering of elements. So whereas in binary search, there is an order. There is an order. The elements should be in ascending order. The elements should be in ascending order. If elements are in ascending order, then only we will calculate mid position. If it is less, then left subarray. If it is greater, then right subarray. Like that, the elements are compared. So here there is no order. What does it mean? For example, the elements 10, 5, 8, 16, 21, 4. Suppose the element to be searched is 16. So first what will happen? First 10 and 16 will be compared. After that 5 and 16 will be compared. Then 8 and 16 will be compared. Then 16 and 16 will be compared. Then you can say that the element is present in the array. So whereas in binary search, if you consider binary search, suppose the array elements are same 10, 5, 8, 16, 21, 4. If this is the order, we can't apply binary search technique. Why? Because the elements should be in sorted order. That means first arrange the elements in sorted order. That means 4, 5, 8, 10, 16, 21. Like that, the elements should be in sorted order. Then only the binary search technique can be applied. So like that. So if you want to search for the particular element, then for generally we will prefer this binary search, as it is taking binary search is preferable. Why? Because the time complexity is less, order of log n. So here the time complexity is order of n, so more time. So that's why preferably binary search is used. Hope you understand the differences between linear search and binary search. Thank you, students. Have a good day. Bye bye.